Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. There are 3 main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: pasting in text, generating with AI, and import file or URL. Today we'll explore how to import a file directly from Google Drive and transform it into stunning visual experiences. Let's dive into it. Getting started. From the Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI, then select Import File or URL. For this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on importing files directly from Google Drive. Click Import from Drive and connect your Google account. Once connected, you'll instantly have access to all your Google Drive files. Gamma supports importing Google Docs, Google Slides, PDFs, and more. For this example, let's transform a project proposal from Google Docs into a presentation using a traditional 16:9 format. After selecting your file, choose what you want to create: a presentation, website, document, or social media post. Depending on your choice, you'll see different aspect ratio options. Once you've selected your preferences, click Continue to proceed to content customization. Drafting your content. Gamma automatically recognizes and organizes your content as it imports your file from Google Drive. Use the prompt editor to control how your content takes shape. Select Freeform for automatic distribution or card by card for manual control. Choose the number of cards. Keep content as is, condense it, or expand it with AI. Customize audience and tone to perfect your message. Gamma can also enhance your content by automatically adding web images or AI-generated illustrations that visually complement your imported content. Selecting a theme. Gamma doesn't just structure your content, it ensures it looks stunning. Select from professionally designed themes to instantly enhance the visual appeal of your project. If you want to maintain your brand identity, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Once your theme is selected, click Generate and watch your Google Drive file transform into a polished, visually engaging presentation. Editing with AI. Your creative process continues after the initial generation. Add depth with elements such as text blocks, images, videos, charts, and interactive components. Gamma's AI allows instant editing. Simply click the Edit with AI button and tell the AI what changes you need, whether adjusting text, altering layouts, or adding new elements. Need content more concise? Want a different tone? Looking to include a data visualization? Just ask and Gamma's AI makes it happen instantly. Import from Drive, enhance it with AI, customize effortlessly. Truly that simple. Sharing and exporting. When your Gamma is ready to share, you have multiple flexible options. Present directly from Gamma using interactive features and presenter notes. Share your creation easily by clicking the Share button to generate a unique link. Anyone can view your content exactly as you've designed it, even without a Gamma account. For traditional distribution, Gamma provides various export options. Export as PDF. Export to PowerPoint for further edits. Export to Google Slides for Google Workspace users. Export as PNG images for social media. And direct publishing to LinkedIn. For websites created in Gamma, publish directly online, and even use your own custom domain for a professional touch. Gamma transforms any file you import from Google Drive into visually captivating content quickly and effortlessly. Ideal for elevating proposals, enhancing presentations, and turning documents into visually appealing experiences. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there.